Customer service is crucial for any business because it helps retain customers and extract more value from them. The primary purpose of customer service is to meet customers' expectations and to ensure that they are satisfied with the outcome. Customer service comprises policies that guide ways for the organization and employees to interact with customers. Quality customer service ensures that your customers feel valued, appreciated by your business, and treated fairly. Excellent customer service encompasses everything from the path you greet your customers to the action you handle their service complaints. Importance of customer service. The goal of any business is to gain customer loyalty. Many companies invest in advertising and marketing to attract customers to their brand, products, and services. The most critical aspect of customer service is keeping the customers. Therefore, the quality of customer service ensures customer satisfaction and repeats business. Good customer service is vital for your businesses. Great customer service results in reducing overall problems faced by your business. Customer retention is less expensive than customer acquisition. Existing customers are more likely to visit again than new customers. Excellent customer service improves your public image and strengthens your brand. It helps provide word-of-mouth advertising, which is the best kind of advertisement that money can't buy. Customer service helps businesses in retaining customers for longer. It improves employee turnover of your business. Convey the company's mission towards firm beliefs and moral values. Good customer service opens the door for new opportunities and partnerships. It extends the life and value of any business. Role of latest technologies of customer service in business success. Many latest technologies are serving customer service executives to do their job more efficiently. Service technology is software that assists customer service teams to serve them better. These software tools help to improve workflow efficiency and enable companies to provide better customer solutions. Companies that adopt service technology can easily manage the increasing demand for excellent customer service. The following are some of the latest customer service technologies that will help for the future growth of the business. Omni-channel service. With the rise of social media, e-commerce sites, and third-party review sites, customers can engage with your company through various digital mediums. The increased accessibility of your company will drive the need of customers for an omni-channel experience. Different multi-channel support. Omni-channel support syncs all your communication channels together so that both your customers and your team can seamlessly work between them. This is one of the most effective ways of customer service, because if a problem is not solved in one communication channel, then the representatives can transfer it to another medium for better customer support. However, this entire process needs a help desk to act as a central inbox for all incoming queries. Customer Service Chatbot. A customer service chatbot is a bot that uses artificial intelligence, AI, and ML and answers basic customer queries via Business Messenger. AI chatbots use existing information and resources like knowledge base articles or FAQs to help answer and resolve customer questions or queries. They can recognize multiple forms of the same question before even the customer finishes typing his query. They can be trained to recognize and give an instant answer to multiple forms of the same question. This way bots can improve customer self-service and reduce vendor expenses by providing a new, inexpensive and repeatable mode of communication, and this technology will continue to develop in the coming years. Personalized customer service training. Initially, customer service training has been a one-size-fits-all method in all companies. However, the development of sentiment analysis tools makes it easier for enterprises to identify the strengths and weaknesses of each employee and provide customized training for each one of them. With personalized training, employees will be more aware of the products and the features of your company, which enables them to be tech-savvy while building their soft communication skills. Data-driven customer service decisions. No matter what technology is chosen by the company, it should be able to quantitatively measure its success. A noticeable amount of data is circulated throughout the customer service department, and the service technology records customer interactions. With the information received from recorded interactions, companies identify the overlooked customer needs and use this data to improve customer experience. The marketing and sales team can also additionally use these insights to record them in the customer journey map. Social media. A standard customer service tool. With the increasing use of social media sites, customers can easily review or find their favorite or least favorite rated stores across social media. Customers can easily praise or criticize brands on public forums. As most people find social media reviews more trustworthy, companies need to adapt to social media accounts to handle customer service situations across social media channels like Twitter, Facebook and Instagram, as they have become more viable options for consumers to leave their feedback. Face-to-face video communication. Few companies using video voicemails are considered being a generation ahead. As eye contact facilitates openness and improves communication, the video has become a viable tool for improving business to meet the growing expectations of customers. Companies can schedule meetings with customers by using video voicemails at their preferred slots and interact with customers through face-to-face meetings to enhance the customer experience. With a healthy and happy client base, businesses will attract more customers and investments and are likely to open up more branches, segments, or offices and will cover more significant areas. Conclusion. It can be helpful for both customers and businesses to incorporate technology into their customer service departments. With new technologies in customer service, businesses can improve lines of communication, proactively interact with customers and respond to their needs efficiently and keep customers informed. Therefore, outstanding customer service maximizes business profitability. A Bill Must Production.